farmer carries. You have 2 weights, 1 in each hand. You're going to deadlift the weight off the floor, and then the goal from here is to maintain tightness from your feet all the way up through your shoulders. So just think good posture, hips forward, walking tall, and you're just gonna walk your distance, come back to your, walk your distance, back to the start. Make sure to get a good deadlift on the way back down instead of just losing it. Anytime you pick up and put down a weight, should be with good technique. Flat back, nice and tall, lock it in.